The 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter is here, and it's more than just an update. It's a complete reimagination of one of Toyota's most iconic SUVs, built with adventure in mind. Right away, the Trailhunter stands out because it's designed straight from the factory as an overlanding-ready machine. No need for aftermarket upgrades. Toyota has done the heavy lifting. Under the hood, it comes with Toyota's new turbocharged iForce powertrain, delivering strong torque for off-road trails while keeping efficiency in check. You also get the option of a hybrid setup, giving that extra punch of power while improving fuel economy, which is a big deal for long-distance explorers. The Trailhunter trim itself is built for serious adventure. It features factory-installed Old Man Emu shocks and suspension upgrades for better clearance and control, skid plates to protect underneath, and all-terrain tires ready to tackle rocky paths, mud, or sand. This SUV isn't just for weekend trips. It's made to handle weeks off the grid. The design reflects that rugged spirit. You'll notice the bold front grille, high stance, and functional accessories like roof racks, rock rails, and lighting enhancements that make it look tough while also being genuinely useful. Every angle of the Trailhunter feels purposeful, like it's saying, "Pack up, let's go anywhere." One of the most unique selling points here is that Toyota has created a true turnkey overlanding vehicle. Many competitors expect buyers to spend thousands on upgrades after purchase, but the Trailhunter is ready for the wild straight from the showroom floor. With decades of 4Runner heritage behind it, the 2025 Trailhunter blends reliability, modern tech, and real off-road capability in a way that few SUVs can match. It's a bold step forward for Toyota and a dream come true for adventure seekers.